How to sign up your GCash account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for GCash. Head over to this application. So you have to install this application on a device. So tap on Get. Now simply tap on Install. Once done, it will start to install this application on a device. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. Once the installation process has been completed, tap on Open. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. In order to sign up for your account, all you want to do is select your country and then enter your mobile number. Once you have entered, tap on Done. You will receive one verification code on your phone number. Simply copy that code and then paste it in the section where you are prompted to. Once you have entered the verification code, simply tap on OK. After that, you have to fill in some of the information. And then you'll be good to go. After that, your account will be created successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can sign up for your GCash account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.